So this is the part 2 of the previous video you watched. So instead of sitting back scrolling through your phone, seeing people hitting milestones, traveling, starting businesses, leveling up, and you're like, bro, what am I even doing with my life? Okay, that was me a few years ago. I was exactly there, watching everyone else moving, feeling like life was happening to everyone except me. Then I remembered something my mentor once told me. If you don't write down your goals, it doesn't exist. So I grabbed a notebook that day, not some cute planner, not a Pinterest thing, just a plain notebook, and I started writing. Not vague wishes, but real specific goal. Not I want to be successful, but I will help so amount of people earn so amount and do so thing by so date. And you know what? My brain went from fusing to focus. Suddenly the target wasn't floating in some cloud anymore. It was real. And every choice I made after that started aligning with that vision. Here is the thing. Dreaming alone doesn't move mountains, okay? Writing your goals down isn't decoration. It is your roadmap, the blueprint to turning ideas into reality. I am Topman and I welcome you to Beautiful Ashes today. And I'm going to show you exactly how to write goals that actually work, step by step, in a way that's simple, practical, and realistic. But before we start, why is it important to write down goals? It brings clarity, making your dreams real. When you write a goal down, it stops being a cloud in your head and becomes something you can actually see, touch, even feel. Instead of saying, oh, I want to be successful, you write things like, I will earn so amount in so month. Suddenly, your brain, everything begins to align, and your brain knows exactly what to aim at. Every decision starts aligning automatically, sometimes without you even noticing it. Example, I once wrote that I wanted to help 100 teenagers discover their purpose in a year. Before writing it down, it was just an idea. After writing it, every content I created, every school I visited, and every program I planned aligned. Writing it made it real. Clarity is powerful because when your vision is clear, your life starts filtering itself automatically. You start saying no to things that don't matter and yes to things that do. So it brings motivation as well. Goals that keep you honestly motivated can fade. Every one of us know that. But goals that are written, they don't fade. They are like silent coach. Every morning you see them and think, ha, yes, this is why I'm doing this. Even on the days you feel tired or motivated or distracted, your goals are quietly keeping you on track. Be honest. Have you ever written a goal and completely forgot about it? Comment yes or no. I want to see who is guilty too. All right. So also, you need to put down your goal because it brings focus. Your roadmap is a noisy world. Life is noisy, opportunity everywhere, but not all of them actually lead you forward. Written goals act like a filter. They show what is important and what is just noise. Every decision, big or small, gets checked against your vision. I used to chase shining opportunity myself, things that look exciting but weren't aligned with my bigger picture. Once I started checking everything against my written goals, everything changed. I wasn't just moving, I was moving forward intentionally with clear goals. Your life stops feeling like spinning wheels and start feeling like a road trip with GPS, okay? So sure, but you know which one are worth taking and which one are dead end. Now, how do you write transformative goals? Let's get into the meat of this step by step. Step number one is be specific. Don't play the vague game. Vague goals is vague results. Saying I want to be successful is like buying a ticket but not checking the destination. Be precise. Use example like instead of I want to get fit, you like I'll walk 1,000 kilometer 5 times a day. I'll check my meal for 90 days. I want to have money. I want to have be specific. So Specific goals make your brain scan for opportunities automatically. You will notice ideas, people, or acts you would have missed. Number two is make it measurable. Track the wins. If you can't measure it, you can't celebrate it. And small wins matter. They keep you motivated when the big picture fades away. So, you want to write a book? I will write 50 words per day or 500 words per day, 5 days a week. Want to save money? I will put 50 naira or 5,000 naira in the savings every month. So that will you will be able to track that. Okay, I have achieved it. It's measurable. The third one is write it like it's already yours. Activate your mind swap. I want becomes I am. Instead of I want to grow my business, you write I am building a business that impacts 1,000 people this year. Instead of I want to be disciplined, you write I am consistent in my daily routine and habits. Why? Your brain doesn't separate written words from reality. When you declare it as yours, your actions start aligning naturally. Faith meets action in a practical way. Number four step is break it into actionable step. Make that big goals digestible. Big goal is overwhelming. Break them down into achievable goals. Want to get out of debt? List every debt, then write exactly what you will pay weekly or monthly. Check it off. Progress is visible. Want to grow your social media? Break it into daily action. Post 3 times a week. Engage 10 comments per day. Reach out to 2 collaborators weekly. Action is the bridge between dreaming and living. If you don't break it down, your goal stays in your head, and that is a messy, busy place. Fifth step is review regularly. Keep goals alive. Goals are not decorations. Engage with them daily. Read your goals aloud and remind yourself why they matter. Check off what you did, adjust what is not working. The monthly step back and see the bigger goals still make sense. That so review what makes your goal guide your life automatically. Choices become easier, energy will flow, opportunity will appear, people will notice it, confidence will grow. Then the sixth step is to build a system around your goal. Very important. Don't just write and forget. Make it easy to follow through. Keep your goal visible. Put it in the mirror, desk, phone, background. Pair goals with a routine. Review first thing in the morning. Journal it nightly. Share with someone you trust for accountability. Even small systems make progress automatic, not wishful thinking. The seventh thing you want to do is to make it fun and reward yourself. Goals don't have to feel heavy. Celebrate every small wins. Make it playful. Finish a weekly target. Treat yourself. Watch a movie. Grab a snack. Life is not hard. Eat a milestone. Share it with friend who shares you on. Fun keeps motivation alive. Rewarding keeps momentum consistent. And momentum is where real transformation happens. Remember this. Your future isn't far away. It is just here in your hand, in your notebook, in the decision you make today. Awareness isn't judgment, and it is powerful. Okay, every small step towards your vision is turning past setback and delays into momentum. So, this is beautiful ashes. Remember your clarity, focus, and action. Notice the whisper before the shout later. Ask yourself, am I moving intentionally or am I just spinning my wheels? Can you see clearly, act intentionally, and build a life that doesn't just survive? It thrives. That is turning ashes into life. That's the B for way A. So comment below. What's one goal you are committing to write down today? I want to see it. Let's celebrate together and share you on it, okay? And remember, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.